Duke's full eating video. Yup.
Wait, I have to show my burger. Look at that monster.
Oh my gosh. That's huge. He gets a double. This is one patty, you guys.
No tomatoes either.
Wow, the bacon is so good today. Oh, I gotta get to it. This thing is like falling apart on me. Mmm.
Here, honey.
One thing about Duke's, they know how to make a burger. You guys, this is so messy. This is definitely a messy mukbang. Mukbang.
Huge.
Sorry, guys.
Mukbang.
People say you say it mukbang. Woo, I need to eat this quick. I met someone at Duke's. They watched my videos. They said, gonna bite right here. Can you turn the air on, please? It is hot.
Yeah, it's hotty hot.
It's definitely summertime now. Ooh, we've been wanting this since we came back from vacation. I'm struggling.
I love how they grill the onions into the patty.
Yeah. And these cheese fries.
And the good cook was there too.
Yeah. These cheese fries have onion fried into them. Guys, we saw F1 yesterday. Best
So
movie
good.
we've seen in a while.
Mm-hmm.
So good. Also, if you want to see how I did this hairstyle, I posted it on my second account. I'll tag it. I've been trying new hairstyles, so let me know what you guys think of this. I recreated, oh my gosh, Love Island new episode today. And where it left off where Huda bounced that on Ace. Guys, that's crazy. I don't know. I just feel like they cut out some parts. Like, I think she flipped herself and she bounced that on his face. Oh no. But I'm ready for the drama tonight. It's gonna be a good episode. This burger is so messy today, but it's so good. Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
It just has so much flavor.
How long are the episodes?
Like an hour.
Do you wish they were longer?
It's okay because they come out with new episodes pretty often. Like every other day, I think. I'm not sure because I barely caught up like today. Also, I got my lip filler dissolved on the top. I feel like it looks better. A lot of you guys said you didn't even notice I had lip filler, but I had it before I started TikTok. Also, I think you can't tell as much because I have a really big smile. And my lips used to be really, really small.
Really small.
I always laugh because he used to tell me I have big lips.
you
And
did?
then I look back at my before pictures when I go to my appointment. They were not big. And the ranch here is so good too.
So you're putting that thing down.
Mm-hmm. Because it's falling apart, so I was like, I need to eat it quick. I'm excited to eat these fries. Ooh.
What are those fries called?
Spanish fries. But I added cheese and bacon to them.
Oh, they didn't have that?
No. Some people commented that they went to Silva's and asked for a grilled cheese burrito and that they were like, no. That they like were looking at them crazy.
Really?
But it's because there's one guy who works there. That
He's
giant,
cool.
yeah, that one giant grilled cheese burrito I did. That guy loves his job. He's always in a good mood. And when I called, I was hoping it was him. We also called over the phone. We didn't ask for it there, so I don't know if that makes a difference. Ooh.
Wait, people actually went?
Yeah. But that they said no.
Oh, man.
Because it's not on their menu. Like, I just asked for it.
They need to collab with you.
So maybe that's why.
What would you call your burrito?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know.
I have to think about it. I would love to have a burrito too. I want to go back to my first bite. Also, randomly, my foot started hurting so bad. Like, so bad. I could barely walk yesterday.
Oh, this is so good. I wish I could just restart my
Ooh, that ranch is good.
Why you ready?
I mixed it with Red Hot. I think that's what it's called.
Is it Red Hot?
I think I have 2 bites left. I wish everyone could try a Duke's burger.
You know, you just put it in the mail.
Ooh, it would leak through the mail. That's how juicy it is. I'm about to hit 10 minutes. If you want to see me keep eating, I'm posting the full thing on YouTube. You guys, this burger is so big. Let's put some ranch on there. This is definitely my favorite burger spot. You guys love my Duke's videos and I love filming them. We're on our last few bites and I'm so sad. I wish I could go back to when I took that first bite. That burger, 1,000 out of 10. Next we have my favorite bacon cheese fries. You guys, their bacon cheese fries are so good. Put a little ranch on there. And they're very hot. This is like burning my finger right now. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Whoa. I'm not even kidding you, this is so good right now. It's been like 10 minutes since I got these and there's still a cheese pool. This was all so good. Diet Coke. This was Duke's in San Diego, La Mesa. I get the single burger, no tomato, everything else on it. So good, you guys. So juicy. Biggest burgers you'll ever have. Chili's full eating video. A Chili's mozzarella stick is gonna do it for me every time.
That was
Amazing. Low-key, I was trying not to get a cheese pull. Oh, these ones are giving cheese pull, but I don't want a cheese pull.
why? Overrated?
It's because I feel like it takes forever. Like when I see people eat triple dippers, I get it. Like I just want to see you eat it. And the cheese pull just keeps going. Like Chili's proved their point. They have a cheese pull. So now I just love the flavor of it. Let's take another bite, you guys.
No, not your nice shirt.
Oh, I already spilled. Beginning of the video too.
Who remembers when she spilled her whole ranch over the car? Who was there?
Yeah, if you're new, we had a Chili's triple dipper once,
Oh my goodness.
and I dripped it. I dropped it. Oh, he got Nashville hot stain on his white tee.
This is not
Right
coming
in the
out.
middle of your pecs.
Dang, this is not coming out.
Oh man.
This
Well,
is-
good thing it's not like,
Yeah, it's just a regular.
it's just a regular Target tee. Why does this one have got a tail? Sorry guys, I'm gonna talk. Chili's mozzarella sticks are my favorite. It has to be Nashville hot sauce. Look at that. I hate talking to my ASMR side. Big smash burger over here. Their smash burger is so good. That's, you guys, we're like connected. We always finish each other's sentences. But we really do.
Stop!
And every time we say the same exact thing, we're like, and it makes it funnier. I don't know. I don't even want the cheese pull. I just want to eat the mozzarella stick.
So,
Yep. You guys, I'm at like my dream body, like personally. And I've been working really hard because we're gonna go on a cruise. And I don't want to be insecure in a bikini. And I finally reached my goal.
they gotta stay tuned for the pictures.
Yeah. Check out
Dang,
my
I'm gonna be like
photographer.
photographer.
He's really
nation.
good. He's a really good photographer. He takes really good pictures. Do you know my angles?
Yeah.
Yeah, and he'll tell me how to pose, which makes it so much faster.
So you're not gonna tell them about the beach yesterday?
We went to the beach. I was like determined to go to the beach. I'm like, I need to go to the beach.
So determined.
So determined. And it said it was gonna be 85 degrees yesterday. So I was like, oh, perfect, honey, let's go to the beach. He's like, down. So we set everything up. We go get sprout sandwiches. It's cloudy. I was like, we're going to the beach. And it starts drizzling. I was like, we're going to the beach. We get to the beach. I need to pee so bad. There's no bathrooms. And
It's cold.
It's so cold. Everyone there was in hoodies. I was like, damn, I missed the memo. If I had a hoodie, I would have been good. We got their honey chipotle chicken tenders. Let's dive into the honey chipotle chicken tenders. These look really good. Long story short, I ate with my sandwich and we left.
We were there for like 25 minutes.
Yeah. But I'm so glad we went.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. If we had more like...
No, if we had a hint
warmth.
of sun.
If we had more warmth, we would have been fine. And I told him I knew he was cold because there was an extra towel. And he used it instead of giving it to me. Because normally he would give me, like if he could tell I'm cold. But I'm kind of glad you didn't because I was the one that made us go to the beach.
I was like, you're going to suffer.
Yeah. He was like... But I still had a good time. Again?
Oh, man. You know
I'm
what?
on my... Guys, I'm on my second stain today. What's going on? Let's not drop the ranch. Why?
It's because you're not wearing a white shirt. So you think you could use
Yeah.
cream.
Well, poor shirt. White shirts are my good luck charm. Guys, I'm also filming this for YouTube. If you want to check out my YouTube, I post longer versions. Ooh. Poor shirt. It looked like a...
So,
I look like a Chuki's person. Let's see. What should I try next? Like,
those are underrated.
yeah, the chicken crispers. I love you, Chili's.
Love you too.
I will always stand by Chili's. I celebrated my graduation there. He met my family there for the first time.
Man, let me do this cheese.
All big milestones for me happened at Chili's.
Oh yeah, I did meet your family at Chili's. I was like at the end of the table.
He met my whole family all at once. Parents, everything.
that was
Granny, parents, tia, tío.
That was crazy. Ready?
Yeah, he's gonna do a cheese pull. Oh, it was a fail. See, like, I'm about to hit 10 minutes. If you want to keep watching me eat this, go to my YouTube. It's in my bio.